Yep, absolutely, it's a game changer. A lot of aviation airlines are looking for ways to reduce their carbon emissions, but a lot of the solutions that are available at the moment take a very long time and are quite expensive. Our product is something that can go on the $1 trillion worth of aircraft that are operational right now, and it's a game changer because we don't need to make new aircraft, we can apply things that are already out in operation. Yeah, so sharks have this rough, almost sandpaper-like surface on their skin that reduces drag and helps them swim efficiently through water. That same principle can be applied to the skies, and that's an area that's been researched over the last 40 decades, or over the last 4 decades. We're now at a point where manufacturing technologies and material science has come a long way, and we're able to manufacture this kind of product at scale and apply it to the exterior of an aircraft where it's durable enough to withstand those conditions. So what we do is we go through a design process. For every aircraft, we optimise the design specifically for that aircraft. So we map out how the air flows over the plane, and from that we generate a map of where all the film will go. We then install it just like a standard livery or decal is installed on a plane, and so the installation method is very similar to what currently exists in standard procedures in aviation. It's made from a process that's very similar to how computer chips are made. So we take an ultraviolet light pattern and shine it on our specially formulated resin, which then hardens in the shape of the shark skin. As we go through our manufacturing process, what we get out the end is an adhesive-backed transparent film, which we then apply to the exterior of the plane. So friction is generated as air flows over an aircraft, and that increases drag, which then increases the amount of fuel that's required to fly a plane. Our material reduces the friction, therefore the drag, and that requires less fuel to get from A to B. So we've demonstrated efficiency gains of 4%. Now, if we look at global emission and jet fuel costs, we're spending hundreds of billions of dollars on jet fuel and generating 1 billion metric tonnes of carbon emissions per year. So a 4% reduction is a significant impact. We've recently partnered with Spanish airlines Vueling, who are helping certify our product for use on their aircraft. They will be MicroTau's first European airline customer. Beyond this, we're going to be scaling up our manufacturing line to make sure that we can deliver at scale. And then beyond this, we're working on our next generation products. So we talked about 4% efficiency. We're working on products that are at 5% and beyond. Then, as we look forward into the far future, aviation is not the only application for reducing emissions. We can also be working in marine and extend the surfaces that we're developing into other areas as well.